fix your PS5 joystick not working on PC. Alright, so the first thing is to check your connection. So if you're using a wired or Bluetooth connection, you could try fixing it by using a different cable. You could also, if you're using Bluetooth, hold the PlayStation button to create a pair to your computer and then pair it via Bluetooth to your computer. It's an easy process, and then you can connect via the Windows Bluetooth option. A bad connection means your joystick wouldn't be detected. Now, another fix for this would be to enable controller support on Steam. So if you head into your Steam application, scroll down from settings over to controller, and then where we have enable Steam input for PlayStation controllers, go ahead and turn on this toggle. This fixes most joystick issues instantly. Now, you could also use the DS4 for Windows, which is the DualShock 4, as Windows doesn't fully support DualSense. So simply download the DS for Windows, install and then run it, and then it will simply emulate an Xbox controller seamlessly, and it works on almost all games. Now you could also calibrate your controller. This is done locally by using the Windows key and R to open the run. Let me go ahead and drag this into view, and just simply type in joy.cpl. Once you've typed that in, go ahead and hit enter, and then go ahead and select controller. So these settings help you configure your game controller. So go ahead and click on your game controller and then calibrate the properties. So if you have a controller connected, it's going to show up here. And you could also update your drivers. So that is done when you head into the Windows here, and then just type in device manager. It's going to pull up the device manager, open it up, and then where we have Bluetooth drivers, head into Bluetooth, and you could simply update your Bluetooth driver. That's this. You could update that, and you could update your USB drivers. All you need to do is just go ahead and select them and simply update. Alright guys, so that's it.